Tired of spending endless hours managing your YouTube channel? In this video, we'll show you how to automate your YouTube channel using N8n, freeing up your time to focus on creating amazing content. First, let's talk about what N8n is. It's a no-code workflow automation platform that lets you connect different apps and services together. To begin, install N8n locally or use a cloud-based instance. Now, let's set up your first workflow. Start by adding a YouTube. Note, you'll need to authenticate with your Google account to give N8n permission to access your YouTube channel. Here's where the magic happens. Select the action you want to automate, such as uploading videos, adding comments, or creating playlists for video uploads. You'll need to provide the video file, title, description, and other relevant details. Next, let's look at comment moderation. Use the Get All Comments node to fetch comments from your videos, and then add logic to filter out spam or inappropriate content. You can even automatically respond to comments based on certain keywords. To extract data, connect your YouTube node to a Google Sheets node. You can pull data like video views, watch time, and subscriber counts into your spreadsheet for analysis and reporting. Automate the extraction process to have your data updated automatically. Finally, schedule your workflow to run automatically at specific intervals. This ensures that your YouTube tasks are always handled without you having to lift a finger.